This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jose Perez. Welcome to this 3-bed, 2-bath split floor plan home. The HVAC and water heater were replaced in 2023. With an oversized 0.27 acre lot, you will have plenty of space for cookouts in the backyard. Bring your pets to play in the fully fenced yard. The home also features a private patio facing the front of the home from one of the guest bedrooms. There is also a covered lanai in the rear of the home accessible from the living room through the sliding glass doors. With a little bit of love, you can turn this house into your next home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jose Perez at 888-668-8283.